Alright guys, so Christmas is going to be around the corner and this is my turkey. So this is a grass-fed free-range turkey, as you can see, and sort of what you want to call organic, fresh turkey. So this is the smallest they had. This is 20 pounds and I'm going to put it into this pan right there. I'm going to put some carrots and onions, I have the onion right here, right into there, and then I'm going to add some stock to it. Where is my stock? Right here. I got this Costco stock that I'm going to put on the bottom there. So it's going to cook this turkey. This turkey is huge, so I hope my pan's big enough to hold it. But it's going to take at least 5-6 hours. So I'll do a video. I'm going to season it. I'm going to put some seasoning salt on it, like this stuff that I have here. I have a couple, and herbs that I'm going to use. So I got this High's seasoning salt, and I got this roasted pepper and garlic. So I'm going to put all that, and then I got some herbs like the oregano and some thyme and rosemary. So I'm going to put it all into this, rub it all in there, and then should be good. So I'm gonna get it all set up. As you can see, this thing's really hard to maneuver, so I'm gonna get it all set up and then I'm gonna put the rub on, and I'll show you what it looks like after, so stay tuned. Alright guys, check this out. So the turkey's all ready, it's super seasoned. I got some chives in there, I got some oregano, and it's really coated, it's super heavy. I'm gonna stick this in the oven for about 6 hours, give or take. I'm gonna put some broth down in there, and then yeah, we'll let it cook. So, and I'll be doing a quick taste test once it's done. So it won't be for a while. Yeah, and then I didn't put any carrots in there. I don't think I have enough room because the pan is actually too small. So, anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'll be back. All right, guys, check this out. It's all done. A long time to cook, but there it is. Alright. Here's the taste test. Let's just take this part. There we go. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like turkey. The seasoning came out pretty good, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. Let me see. I guess there's a little bit of a taste difference with the free range. It's almost like leaner. I think that's the best word I can say. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, I just want to do a follow-up video of my turkey I just made. So as you can see, I broke it all down. That's the Jew there, and then there is the turkey meat all broken down. I ripped it from the carcass. I have to admit, it is a really flavorful turkey. The best turkey I've ever eaten, because at first I ate it, I was like, it's got some good flavor, but the flavor is actually throughout the whole turkey. So, like, you know, I thought it was just the seasoning that I put in, but it actually isn't. It actually tastes really good. It has a really deep aroma and turkey flavor. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a really deep flavor to the organic turkey. It's like it has more than one dimension. That's the best way I can describe it. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.